Hi everyone, welcome back to Styleoblender, and in today's video I am going to share a long gather skirt tutorial. So without wasting any time, let's begin with the cutting and then I will show you the sewing. This skirt you can make within 10 minutes, trust me. So first I'm going to cut the length, and the length I need ready is 37 inches, and right now I am going to cut 37 inches exactly because I am going to add 1 inches of belt, and at the bottom I am going to take the border as it is. From top I will cut the length. So 37 inches is including the seam allowance. After that I will fold my fabric in half because I only have 3 yards of fabric, so I'm taking all of it, and the width of my skirt is going to be, one side of skirt width is going to be 59 inches. So if you have like more fabric and you want to have like more flare and more gathers, then definitely you would take more. After folding and cutting from the middle, I will sew a straight stitch and make sure you have the widest stitch set on your sewing machine, and then I will pull the thread and then I will create the gathers just like this. You have to be a little gentle while you are creating gathers because you don't want to break the thread. And the front and back gathers are ready and it looks something like this. Now I will show you that the belt I am stitching. So I have front and back separate. So here you can see the length I have 3 inches, and the width of the strip, the belt, is 25 inches. Now I'm going to take a stiff interfacing like this. So the length is going to be 1 inches and the width is going to be 23 inches, and the elastic I am taking is again 1 inches wide, and then the length I am taking is 10 inches because it has my elastic is very stretchy. Next, again I am showing you again I took this stiff interfacing and I am going to sew at the end of the skirt, and the width is 2 inches, and again the circumference is going to be according to the width of your skirt. If you want to add a strip to hide your interfacing, then you have to cut just 1 inch extra, but I'm not going to add the strip anyways. I wanted to add the horsehair braid, but it was really expensive. It was $5 a yard and $15 just for the everyday wear skirt. I don't think so I would like to spend that much money, so that's my alternative. But you can definitely use horsehair braid, but I think if you're using a fancy, if you're making very classy and fancy, then definitely you go ahead and spend extra amount of money. But for me it worked, so it's quite similar to the horsehair braid and a lot cheaper, so that's why I use that. And next I'm going to attach the belt at the front and the back part of the skirt. I'm going to sew the belt pieces and then I will sew the sides of the skirt. I just want to show you one trick here. When you're sewing this kind of fabric, then make sure you push your fabric from the top, not like push, is just, as you can see, I'm gently pushing it because the bottom fabric, it automatically stretch out, and at the end you have one end of the skirt hanging and the other one is smaller than the regular one. So right now, as you can see, the sides are equally balanced. After that, I am going to attach the interfacing onto the belt, and first I am going to sew the belt and my elastic together. And then I will start stitching from the sides. So front of the skirt I want flat, I don't want any gathers on my belt area, so that's why I am going to start stitching from the sides. And at the back I want to have the elastic stitch because it's an easy trick to hold your skirt. You can definitely add a zipper or a velcro, or there are so many other tricks you can do, but this one is this is the first trick I am showing you for this skirt. Hopefully in future I will show you the other tricks. This is very commonly available, and it's really beginner friendly. You don't have to do a lot of hard work in this one, so that's why I decided to show this tutorial. And once you stitch the interfacing part, then what you have to do is pull your elastic and keep sewing. And as you can see, I am sewing exactly on the stitch line on the gather, so all the extra fabric is going to be hidden. And at the bottom, what I did, I sew the interfacing and on the right side of the fabric, and then I will turn it over and give it a good iron, and this is how it's gonna fold inside. You can start pinning and then sew it, but I will just sew the bottom part, and then I will sew on the top. Again, if you want to use a strip to hide the interfacing, you can definitely go ahead and do that, but for me it's good. Once I am done at the bottom of my skirt, then I will sew the rest of the interfacing, and then I am done. And this is how it looks inside and outside. And this is the belt part, 1 inch wide, and at the back I stitch in the middle and top, so my elastic won't fold. And that's the final result of the skirt. I wish I could show you the wearing part, but I'm really sorry and I don't have those pictures available. So this is it, and this is really quick and easy, and you can sew this skirt within 10 to 15 minutes. Trust me, it won't take long. And that's it for this video, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye.